dears. Hope everybody has understood the addition of two-digit numbers. Now, I am back to teach you three-digit numbers. Now, I am going to tell you how to add three-digit numbers. First, we will see how to add the numbers without carrying over. Now, let's get started. The first sum, we will first add the numbers in the ones column. Two numbers are here in the ones column, 5 and 3. How will you add them? You can either draw lines or you can put dots. Children, whenever you solve any type of sums, you will first draw a rough column where you can do your rough work. So, I will make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 1, 2 and 3. How many lines are they all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So, we got 8. Now, adding the tens column. There are two numbers in the tens column. 1 plus 1, easy, it's 2. Now, adding the numbers in the hundreds column. There are two numbers, 3 plus 2. Again, you can either draw lines or you can put dots. So, this time, let us put dots. 3 dots and 2 dots. How many are they all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots. So, how many hundreds? 5 hundreds. Now, you see when we add 315 to 213, we get 528. 5 tens, 5 hundreds, 2 tens and 8 ones. Now, moving on to the next sum. 6 plus 1. We add the numbers in the ones column first. So, 6 plus 1 is 7. 0 plus 7. If 0 is added to a number, the answer is the number itself. So, the answer is 7. 8 plus 1. When 1 is added to a number, the answer is the number after. So, what will be the answer? What comes after 8? 9. Now, moving on to the next sum. Here we have to add 2 and 3. The numbers in the ones column first. So, 2 and 3 makes 5. How many ones? 5 ones. Now, the tens column, we have to add 3 and 4. We can draw lines. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7 tens. Now, how many hundreds? 4 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in all. So, we got 6 hundreds. Now, another sum. 3 plus 6. How many are 3 plus 6? 3 plus 6 are 9. So, 9 ones. How many tens? 3 plus 2. 5 tens. And how many hundreds? We can put dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 2. 1, 2. So, now counting them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7 hundreds. Easy? Now, children, when you have understood how to add without carrying over, so I will now tell you how to add with carrying over. Now, children, let's see how to add three-digit numbers with carrying over. Now, the first sum. First, we will add the numbers in the ones column. The number in the ones column are 4 and 6. Now, how will you add? Same ways, you will draw lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6. And then we will count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Children, this is equal to 10. How many ones? children, this is the ones column. When we are adding the numbers in the ones column, we are getting ones. So how many ones? 10 ones. And if we see what is the meaning of 10 ones? 10 one means 1 10 and 0 ones. So how many ones? 0. We will put 0 here. And 1, instead of writing here, it will be carried here. And children, this is the meaning of writing carrying over. We carry the number all the way from here to here. And now 1 is added to the tens column. We will add all the numbers together. 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 plus 2 is 6. So how many tens? We got 6 tens. Now adding the numbers in the hundreds column. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now moving on to the next sum. 5 plus 3. Again we can put dot or we can draw lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2 and 3 all together makes 8. So how many ones? 8 ones. Now moving on to the tens column. There are two numbers 2 and 8. First we will draw 2 lines. Then 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we will count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They make 10. Now children, how many tens we got? We got 10 tens. And what is the meaning of 10 tens? 10 tens means 100, 100 and 0 tens. So how many tens? 0 tens. And 1 is carried to the hundreds column. Now 1 plus 6 is 7 and 7 plus 2 is 9. Are you able to understand? If not, then children you will practice a lot. See, let's have a look at the next question. 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9 is 10. And 10 means how many tens? 1 10 and 0 ones. And we have to write the answer in the ones column. So what we will write? We will write the number of ones. So there are 0 ones and this one is carried to the tens column. Now 1 plus 8 is 9 and we will add 9 and 3. 1 plus 8 is 9. We will draw 9 lines. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 3 lines. 1, 2 and 3. So how many they make together? 9, 11, 10, 11, 12. So we will get 12. Now how many tens we got? We got 12 tens. Children, 12 tens means 100 and 2 tens. So how many tens we will write in the tens column? How many numbers? We will write 2 and 1 will be carried to the hundreds column. Now we will add the numbers in the hundreds column. 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 2 is 7. So the number we got is 720. Now again you will pay attention and try to see what I am telling you. Now adding the 0 columns, the ones column first, we have the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9. So what we can do? We will draw lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the next number is 9. So we will draw 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. lines together, 8 and 9 makes 17. So, I will write 17. Now, how many ones? 17 ones. 17 ones means, children, there are 7 ones and 1 10. So, the 7 ones will be written here and the 1 10 will be carried to the tens column. Understood? Now, we will add the numbers in the tens column. 1 plus 6 plus 4. 1 plus 6 is 7 and 7 plus 4 is 11. Now, writing 11. When we write 11 in the tens column, 11 tens. 11 tens means 110 and 100. So, the 110 will be written here and the 100 will go here. 1110 means 100 and 110. So, this will be carried to the hundreds place. Now, adding the hundreds column. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 2 is 5. Now, children, I hope you must have understood. Now, children, I hope you must have understood the addition of 3-digit numbers with and without carrying over. Thank you for joining me.